Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading which is going to be what is coming next in love. I've pulled out three piles here, green pile, blue pile, yellow pile. Pick whichever pile to see the answer to that question. What's coming next in love? Whatever connection that you have in your love life with a specific someone, let's find out what's going to happen for you in the coming week's time. I have pulled one oracle card as well to give additional guidance around the current circumstances that you're having in your love life with a specific someone. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. Let's dive into the reading. I'm gonna start the read with a green pile first. Let's see for the people who are choosing the green pile. Hold on, I moved the camera. Hold on. Yeah. So the people who chose the green pile, let's see what's gonna come for you in love life in the coming weeks' time. Let's see what's coming next in love life. Let's find out. You might be experiencing some sort of imbalance right now in your love life. Maybe you would feel the need to work on the on bringing some balance back in the connection. It can be maybe you have been busy a lot with your work. Maybe it's your person who has been staying a lot busy with their work. So I do see that there could be some sort of resistance and some sort of arguments that you would be picking up with your person because they are not giving you enough time and they are focusing on other things in their life, or it can be another person as well for some of you. But I do see that for some of you, you would be feeling the need to have balance back in the connection. You would feel that somebody is not doing justice to you in the connection. It can be you feeling that, it can be your person feeling that for the connection as well. But I do see that there is a lack of balance in a connection right now, and you really need to work to fix things up. Let's see more cards here. Six of Swords. um you might be planning to have some time off with your person as well, as what I'm picking up. Maybe there has been a lot going on in your life or in the life of the person that you are dealing with, and they were unable to give you the time and attention that was required in the connection. I feel like your person would be making amends or making up for the thing that's gonna bother you a lot, is what I'm picking up. They're gonna definitely take some time out for you so they could spend some happy time with you, so there will be no fights and nothing like no complaints around the current situation as well. I do see that things will start getting better between the two of you as your person understands the need of balance in their life as well. That's going to help the connection go smoother, which might be kind of missing in the last few weeks times, or you might be still feeling some sort of resistance in the connection. You are picking up fights, arguments for no reason. You might be having your doubts and fears around the connection as well because the person is not giving you enough time. Now it's very important for those of you who truly love your person, and if you have strong faith that the person is not gonna go for extramarital or extra connection, or a third party situation, you have to stay very positive and confident about yourself. The more you're gonna let the fears in, the more you're gonna start doubting your person for not giving you enough time. So make sure you are not making a mistake. If you already know that the person is like a flirtatious person and they are not giving you enough time, maybe there is something that you have to bother about. But for majority of you, I feel like maybe it's just that your fear is going to start making a question why they are not giving you time. You are going to start picking up fights. Try not to do that because your person is soon going to make up for whatever it is happening right now currently in your love life with this specific someone. They will start prioritizing you as well, or they will at least try to bring some balance back in their life, in the connection, by giving you enough time. At the end of the read, we do have the Death card. um if you know that there is a third party situation, if you have some sort of hint that yes, maybe there is another person in their life, maybe if they have been ignoring you completely and you have been feeling neglected by them, there could be a strong chance of them traveling away with another person, especially if you are not married to this person. If you are dating this person and you doubt that this person still have other people in their life, maybe this person could be ending a connection with you and moving on, choosing the third person over you or the connection. They could have kids with that person as well, or they could be For some of you, if you feel that your person is pressurized and they are, it's going to be different for different people because I'm picking up different stories here. For some of you, if you are in a situation where your person is not um, stable enough where they can take the stand for themselves against the connection, I do see that they will be taking stand for you. They will take you with them, and they will walk away from the family situation. So it's going to be different for different people. For those of you who can sense that there is a third party situation, it could be that they are going to leave you over, they will leave you and choose the other person over you for sure. For others of you, if the family situation is involved, I do see your person taking stand for the connection, and they will take you with them and take care of you as well, and they are going to put an end to the situation that was not letting you be together, because they are going to choose to be with you. For those of you who can still sense that there is some sort of fishy attitude coming from your person, and you are not confident enough about your connection, then yes, there could be a chance that your person is going to leave you as well. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Joy. For majority of you, I feel like it's going to be the other thing, like the first two stories that I mentioned. It's going to be very few of you who can sense that there is some sort of um doubt that you already have about your person. That person is going to leave you. But for majority of you, I do see you having a joyful time coming up for you with your specific someone. They are going to make sure that you feel comfortable in the connection as well. They will make up for the time that they are not giving you right now. That's going to be the for the majority of you as well. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for the people who chose green pile. Let's move on to the blue pile. Let's see what's going to come for you in your love life in coming days time, coming weeks time. For the blue pile, let's find out. I'm going to include this card at the end. Let's find out for the tarot first. What's going to come, what is coming up in this love connection that you have with a specific someone in the times to come. King of Swords. Your person could be hold on, yeah, for some of you, I feel like your person could be, or you yourself could be kind of, pulling yourself away from a specific someone by thinking that they are demanding too much and you don't have enough time. For others of you, I feel like, maybe your person is doing that to you. Maybe they are pulling away because of your demands in the connection right now. You might see your person kind of unavailable to you during this time, or in the days to come. They are doing that purposely. I don't see that they cannot manage their time with you. It's just that they are doing that purposely because they feel that they need space right now. For those of you who feel that your person is busy and that's why they are pulling away and that's why this and that, no, your person is purposely doing that. With this energy coming as the first card, it seems like, there is somebody in this connection who is pulling away. It can be you, it can be them as well. The reason could be different. For some of you, like I said, maybe they are, they feel that they have enough of stress already. They cannot take the stress of connection. For others of you, it could be just that they are they're gonna feel like they need space. They have been into connections and they really want a break from all of it. Now it's deep down, this person definitely can manage their time, but they are not choosing to do so. Maybe you are dealing with a person who at times they need their space. From time to time, they feel the need that they want to have their own life. Maybe they have a lot of pressure coming from the family. Maybe they have a lot of pressure coming from you. So they really want to take some break from this whole messy thing happening in their mind. It's not in reality. I feel like this person makes up stories, and that's what they start buzzing in their head, and they feel like I need a break, I need a break. And that's what you can experience in the coming days with this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with. Or you could be doing that to the person that you are dealing with as well. Then we do have Eight of Pentacles. Ooh, the person would need their time to fix things up for themselves. This person is going to go selfish for sure. Whoever it is that you are dealing with, you might see the person changing towards you in the times that we are, doing this reading. Plus, they're gonna start changing their attitude towards you. You would feel like maybe they are losing interest in you, or maybe this or that. But in actuality, this is the issue of the person that you are dealing with. This is how they are. You have to accept this person the way they are. They might have been the habit of going off on you, like they would ghost you out, they would ghost out. They have the habit of that kind of a situation. They always do that to you. Why? Because that's how they are. They always need time to time break from everything going on in their life, because they need their focus onto one thing. It can be work, it can be family matter, it can be a goal, whatever it is. But yes, this person is going to be like this. The last card is the Devil. This person is very addicted when it comes to their work, their passion, for work again. So I feel like, this is going to be the time when this person is like, focused on their work and achievements and all those things. You will see this person not giving you enough time during this time, which is going to make you question, which is going to make you upset, which is going to make you feel like you are nobody in this person's life. You would start feeling that they don't love you, and trust me, they are not going to care about that even. Your person is definitely very selfish, the one that you are dealing with. It can be your energy as well towards your person as well. But yes, I do see that, there is a selfish attitude coming from one side of the story, you or the person that you are dealing with, and they are so much of an extreme kind of a person. If they are with you, they are like crazy. You right now, they might complaining that, they might start complaining that what's happening with you, why do you keep messaging me, why do you keep calling me, this and that. And when they are in the mood, they are doing exactly the same thing. So the person that you are dealing with is definitely out of their mind right now. They are like, completely messed up right now. They really would need the break. So if they act a certain way that I am picking up here, just be mindful, it has nothing to do with you. It's their own thing that they are going through. Let them have the space, let them have the time. They will be all fine. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Rejection. You would feel that the person, maybe they are going to reject you, or they are going to kind of, end the connection or something. Maybe they don't like you anymore, maybe they have another person in their life, maybe this, maybe that. Now I feel like, your obsession for this person is increasing, their obsession for their work is increasing. So it's try to bring some balance back in the life, in the connection. There's lack of connection right now between the two of you. There's lack of understanding between the two of you. There's lack of bond between the two of you, which is going to make you fearful. You're going to think of the most extreme negative scenarios during this time. And I feel like, this is going to become toxic for you. This connection is very much getting toxic here with the attitude of the person that you are dealing with. They are like, not giving you enough time, and you're going to start feeling like, oh my god, I don't want this. When it comes to this person and their attitude, they are like, too focused on just one thing. They are clear about themselves that this is what they want to do, and that's it. They are not thinking or contemplating what their decision is going to affect you. Like, they are just so focused on themselves right now, so they're not gonna think about you at all. So that's what I'm picking up coming up for you. You have to be very careful with this kind of attitude coming from your person. Don't start blaming yourself. Don't start feeling that there is something wrong that you did. In actuality, the person that you are dealing with, they need some healing. They need to bring some balance back in their life. They have a lot in their mind, in their heart, but this person really not of a kind who would express it. So you would have to deal with this kind of attitude. Now if you think that this is the beginning of the connection and this person is treating you this way, trust me, this person will not change. You have to change your attitude for this person for sure. So that's pretty much it for the people who chose the blue pile. Let's move on to the yellow pile. Let's see, for the people who are choosing yellow pile, let's see what is coming up for you in your love life with your specific someone in coming days, coming times. I'm going to start with the tarot first, then we're going to take this oracle card. Let's see. Six of Wands. I do see that your connection will be going perfectly fine as you move forward. You will see a lot of appreciation, a lot of love coming from your person. Your person will be very attracted to you. They would find you very charming as well. They would like you and your presence around them a lot. I do see that going smooth to the point where everybody is talking about it. For some of you, you might be dealing with a person who is a celebrity or something. It doesn't have to be a celebrity. It can be a person who is very known in the society as well. Somebody who's rich, who is famous as well. Now, I feel like, you feeling connected to this person is going to add a lot of confidence to you in your life as well. Let's see more cards here. Four of Cups. Wow. I feel like, there is somebody in your life who is attracted towards you. Now, for some of you, maybe you are completely single right now, but you are going to attract a person in your life who is watching you. For some of you, maybe you are a social media star, or maybe you are a star, maybe you are somebody who is very famous in the group of people that you belong to. And I feel like, this for some of you, it could be just that you have achieved whatever you wanted to achieve in your work life. Now there is, like, focus coming back to love life. For others of you, there could be a secret admirer in your life who is going to come forward to propose you, to offer you their love right now. You are pretty much shining right now. That's what I'm picking up. It can be for majority of you. I feel like, it's going to be your energy, and then there is a person in your life who is definitely getting attracted towards you, or feeling for you for sure. But I feel like, even after having a lot of admirers, you are not accepting anybody's offer here. I do see you pretty much lost in your thoughts about a specific someone. Maybe there is a someone special in your life that you have, feelings for. And even though you are shining bright right now, you people are admiring you, liking you, but at the same time, you are not ready to accept any offer because you're too focused on a specific someone. You want a specific type or a specific person. At the end of the reading, we do have Queen of Swords. I feel like the offers that you would be receiving in your love life. I feel like for majority of you who chose this pile could be single, because I feel like you are pretty much good for yourself right now. You are enjoying the success and work and finances and everything is going perfectly fine. When it comes to love life, I do see you have a lot of admirers, but you are not happy with the kind of offers that you are getting. You have a very clear image of your future spouse and you don't want to settle in for less than that. For some of you, you are waiting for a specific someone from the past. For others of you, you are waiting for a specific type that you want for yourself. I do see that you are not going to settle in for less for sure, but I do see you getting more famous, getting more admired by people around you. People do find you very successful in one way or the other. Maybe there's a specific body type that you have, which people find very attractive. People are definitely getting attracted to you. They do see you as somebody who's like the thing, and but I don't see you interested in accepting any offer. I do see you having your guards up. I don't see you ready to accept any offer right now because there is somebody that you are waiting for, or maybe that's not your prime focus right now. You want to focus on yourself, your abundance, your success, and more of that. So for majority of you, I feel like you are completely single. If you are in a relationship, maybe this is the energy of the person that you are dealing with, and maybe you are the one who has offered the love to the person, but they are saying, "Nah, I'm not interested right now," or they are not at all focusing on you right now. For very few of you, like maybe for one or two of you, maybe there is a person that you find very attractive, and you might have interest in that person. You might have shown them the interest that you have for them, but at the same time this person never accepted your offer back then. But after getting the success, maybe if that has been the case with you, I feel like this person is going to focus or bring their attention towards the offer that you made to them. I don't see you in communication in that way with this person. I feel like you are doing good for yourself, they are doing good for themselves, but yes, the offer was being made in this connection, but neither you nor them are thinking about this connection or this offer. But yes, I feel like now is going to be the time in the few weeks time this person is going to start considering that offer that was being made. I feel like the offer was very clear, the intention was very clear. This is what I want, are you up for it, yes or no? The person never reached out to you with an answer to that. And maybe now is going to be the time after they start enjoying their success in the work front, maybe they are going to start thinking about the offer that was being made in the connection. But yes, they know one thing for sure in this connection: you are somebody who is very dominant, you are somebody who's going to be intimidating here in this connection. So maybe that could be one of the reasons they are taking their time to decide, because they otherwise enjoy the success of being the center of attention. With you, they feel that they are the submissive ones, so it's a very intimidating kind of a person that you are to them for sure. So maybe that's the reason why they are taking their time. But yes, I do see that. I don't see you interested in getting a response from them right now. You are pretty much good with yourself, but at the same time, maybe they are the ones who are considering it. Or maybe the universe is pulling them towards you and making them think of you or the offer that was being made. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Wisdom. The universe is definitely guiding them towards something. It can be, or maybe it can be you. Universe might be guiding you towards a specific someone, or maybe you are the one who has a lot of offers, but you feel the pull towards a specific someone. But whatever the case is, I don't see you taking any action towards this person. Neither I see this person taking any action towards you. It's more of a single energy is what I'm picking up, or individual energy is what I'm picking up. There was this offer that was being made, but nobody's thinking about that offer right now. But I do see that with some intervention coming from the universe, some sort of divine help is going to come in, which is going to change the situation. But I don't see things changing anytime soon in this connection between the two of you. But it could be very well twin flame journey for the two of you. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for your love life in the coming days time. So if the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till later, the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.